What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. The first thing what you need to do, you need to get up into your profile section on your account on Instagram. Then you need to go on the three dots on your right upper side by selecting the first selection, settings. Then you need to go on the third selection, privacy, and scroll down and take a look for a story side. Go for a story. And now, as you can see, here we have that range of people which says hide story from, and it's for 3 people. Now here is the most important thing of this video. Here you need to make sure that you have gotten all people that you followed on your Instagram account. You need to select all people here that are following you. Then you need to get off from this site, and the next thing what you need to do, simply you need to get up and go to your story site to make sure that you're gonna get up and take that. I will go first for story. Now you can get up and join picture or video from gallery by left wing, or you can just type it right now. I'll go type it right now just to show you how it looks like. Now what you need to do, simply you need to go and add to your story. Then the next thing what you need to do, go again onto that story. When it gets posted, go to highlights, add to some point of it, go add, then just go see it on your face on your Instagram account. Now get back again into your story, go on privacy, select story, and then go for hide story from. Now you can unselect all these followers that are getting into your Instagram account. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have any problems please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys.